What secrets do the mountains of Afghanistan hold? Imagine flying over this ancient land. You see rugged peaks, vast deserts and green valleys. Afghanistan's beauty unfolds below, a tapestry woven over centuries. From the air, a new perspective emerges. We see the connections between land and people, history and hope. The Hindu Kush mountains dominate the landscape, their rugged peaks standing as silent sentinels of time. These ancient formations have witnessed centuries of history, shaping the lives of those who dwell in their shadow. Jagged peaks pierce the sky, their shadows stretching across the land like fingers of twilight. The interplay of light and shadow creates a dramatic canvas, a testament to the raw beauty of nature's artistry. Below, valleys like Bamiyan hold fertile land and ancient secrets. These valleys are cradles of life where green fields thrive amidst the arid terrain. They whisper stories of civilizations long gone, etched into the very soil. The Amu Darya River carves a path through the north, a lifeline for communities. Its waters sustain agriculture, nurture wildlife, and connect people, weaving a thread of vitality through the harsh landscape. To the south, the Registan Desert stretches out, a reminder of nature's power. Its vast dunes shift with the wind, a dynamic and ever-changing expanse that challenges all who dare to traverse it. This is a land of extremes where resilience is key. Look closer and history comes alive. Afghanistan, a land of rugged beauty and ancient secrets, holds within its borders the remnants of civilizations that once thrived. These ruins are not just stones. They are the silent witnesses of a time when empires rose and fell, leaving behind their indelible marks on the landscape. The ruins of ancient cities dot the landscape, whispering tales of empires past. From the bustling marketplaces of long-forgotten towns to the majestic palaces of rulers, these remnants tell stories of innovation, culture, and conquest. They remind us of the vibrant life that once flourished here, now frozen in time. The minaret of Jam, a towering testament to Afghan artistry, stands tall in a remote valley. Built in the 12th century, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a marvel of intricate design and engineering. Its presence speaks of a golden age of creativity and craftsmanship, a beacon of Afghanistan's rich heritage. The citadel of Herat, once witness to conquerors and kings, still guards the city below. Its walls, weathered by time, have seen the rise and fall of dynasties. This fortress is a symbol of resilience, standing as a reminder of the region's strategic importance and its storied past. These echoes of the past remind us of Afghanistan's enduring spirit. They're a bridge between the ancient and the modern, a testament to the resilience of a people who have weathered the storms of history. As the sun sets over these historic landscapes, it casts a golden glow on a legacy that refuses to fade. The landscape is not just a view, it is a living story. It whispers the tales of those who came before us, shaping the land with their hands and dreams. These mountains and valleys are more than just geographical features. They are the silent witnesses to centuries of human resilience and creativity. Each mountain range, each valley, holds the memory of generations. They echo with the footsteps of travelers, the laughter of children, and the prayers of those who sought solace in their embrace. These landscapes are the guardians of stories that have shaped the identity of a people. We see the remnants of ancient irrigation systems, testament to human ingenuity. These canals and terraces are not just relics, they are symbols of survival, of communities that thrived against the odds. They remind us of the delicate balance between humanity and nature, a relationship nurtured over centuries. We see the patterns of fields and villages, reflecting traditions passed down through time. These patterns are like fingerprints, unique to each community, yet part of a larger story. They speak of a deep connection to the land, a bond that has endured through wars, migrations, and the passage of time. The spirit of Afghanistan lives on, resilient and hopeful. It is a spirit that refuses to be broken, finding strength in its roots and hope in its future. This land, with its breathtaking beauty and profound history, is a testament to the enduring legacy of its people.